Birds, the winged wonders of the world. From the rainforest to the desert, they fly with secret that even science is still uncovering. First up, the cockatoo, with a wide crest and even wider skills. These birds are escape artists of the animal kingdom. Some cockatoos can unlock complex mechanisms, even craft tools. One Goffin's cockatoo solved a 5-step puzzle lot faster than many humans. Cockatoos use tools, mimic sound, and even solve puzzles with logic and memory. Hey Barren Goose, the saltwater survivor. Standing tall on Winged Shrimp Island of southern Australia, this unique goose brings salt water, while most birds avoid it. The Cape Barren goose has special glands about its eyes that filter out the salt like a built-in desalination system. They often graze like cows, feeding on grass instead of swimming, and their honking sounds more like a pig than a goose. The black and white swans, symbol of praised opposites and rare beauty. Black swans were once thought to be mythical, and white swans, legends say they sing just once right before they die. Black swans defy ancient beliefs. Swan song is a haunting legend of beauty. White and Wonga pigeons, the forest ghost. Deep in the forest, the Wonga pigeons walks like a shadow, unseen and unheard. They move silently with feathered feet that makes no noise. And white pigeons used in ceremonies, they are trained to fly home. Wonga pigeons walks without sound. White pigeons always return, may chase secret messengers. Parrots, the colorful geniuses. Parrots aren't just talkers, they are thinkers. Some parrots match the intelligence of a young child. One named Alex understood numbers, colors, and even idea of zero. Parrots are brainy. Some speak, count, and understand abstract ideas like zero. Macaws, royal healers of the jungle. Macaws radiant, wild, and strikingly wise. They eat clay to neutralize root toxins, a jungle remedy passed from generation to generation. Macaws use clay like medicine, clover detox from poisonous fruits. Ostrich, speed and secrets. The ostrich, taller than a man, faster than a scooter, and full of surprises. Ostriches can sprint over 70 km per hour, have only 2 toes, and never bury their heads. A flattened thigh from predators. Ostriches are runners, not cowards. 2 toes, sharp hits, and survival smart. From skydancers to jungle doctors, each bird holds a secret. What seemed ordinary now feels extraordinary. Which birds amazed you most? Like, comment, and join us for the more wildlife wonders.